This video will teach you how to make an Adobe Spark Page presentation from a Google slide. Open Adobe Spark Page and click the blue plus button to create a new presentation. Go to Google Slides to copy text and paste it in Adobe Spark. Now you can go back and forth between Adobe Spark Page and Google Slides to copy and paste the text. To add pictures, you can press the plus button and then the sidebar will pop up and you can choose photos from stock images or your own photos you saved to your iPad. You can select different layouts such as photo grid, glide show, or split layout, or you could just add a picture in front of your text. In this next example, this is a split screen, so you can add an image to one side while adding text to the other. Go ahead and copy and paste the text from Google Slides onto the text portion of this split screen slide.